Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm sharing how to make this beautiful floral art piece. So let's get started. I have taken this A5 size watercolor paper, and since I'm gonna frame my work, so I'm taking this frame, putting it on my paper, and I'm gonna cut my sheet as per the size of the frame. So here I'm just marking 1.5 inch from all the sides to keep that as a border, as I wanted to keep my design just in the center of the paper, so this border guideline is really very helpful. Now just on the middle of the paper I am making this rough rectangle shape, and this will be the area where I will write a simple quote. So I have chosen to write "Stay positive," which I am first writing using a pencil. And here I am making a rough oval shape around the quote so as to have a guideline to paint the florals. Next I'm using this Tombow hard tip brush pen to write the quote. So I have already made a detailed video on the basic strokes used in calligraphy that you might find useful, and you can click the I button above to check out that video. Now it's the time to paint the florals. So I'm using Mungyo watercolor set. This set has a lot of variety of paints. So I'm taking some of my favorite paints onto the palette, and I'm also giving you quick swatches of the different shades that I will be using today. You can of course change the value and tones of the paint that will add more beauty to your design. So I have taken magenta, bright yellow and violet shades. I have chosen the colors from the same color family to make the florals. And also I'm taking some bluish paint and some light and dark shades of green to add variety of leaves. So for the first flower, I am loading my brush with some deep magenta, and I'm also keeping some orange paint along with, just to have some contrast in the petals. So I'm painting a 5-petal flower over here, and this will be slightly big in size, and I will paint a similar flower shape on the opposite side as well. Next I'm painting some small bright yellow rose flowers. For that you just need to make some small spirals connecting together, leaving some white spaces in between. Also add some magenta pigment in the center and let it flow towards the outer petal of the flowers. Now over this space I'm adding some tiny 3-petal violet flowers. Then I'm adding some light green leaves along with the flowers, and once they get dried out, I will add some darker shade of green leaves. And you can add different shapes and sizes of leaves and can also use different values of paint for more variety. Then I'm adding some berries at the places where I feel they will fit well. And after painting that, if you feel that some spaces still needs to be covered up, then you can add some more tiny leaves or even dots. So I was having this pearl watercolor set from Koi with me, so I thought of adding some pearl yellow and some pearl pink dots at some places, and also I will add some yellow shadows to my lettering to make my design more vibrant and colorful. So I have framed my artwork after completion and this is how it looks. Do let me know in the comment section if you like this video, and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll back soon with more such interesting ideas in my upcoming videos. Till then, take care, bye bye.